Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix buffer subscription issues in 2026. If you're unable to upgrade your plan, your subscription isn't active, your premium features are missing, or you're having trouble renewing or canceling your plan, this guide will help you fix the problem. First, sign in to your buffer account and go to the billing or subscription section. Check your current plan's status to make sure your subscription is active. If your plan has expired, you'll need to renew it before premium features become available again. Next, verify your payment method. If your credit or debit card has expired, been replaced, or your payment was declined, update your payment details and try the transaction again. If your bank blocks online or international payments, contact them to approve the charge. If you've recently upgraded your subscription, but your account still shows the old plan, refresh the page, sign out of buffer, and sign back in. In some cases, it may take a few minutes for the subscription changes to sync across your account. If you're using buffer in a web browser, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then update your browser to the latest version. You can also try accessing your account from another browser or device to rule out browser-related issues. If you're trying to cancel your subscription and the option isn't working, make sure you're signed into the account that owns the subscription. Team members without billing permissions may not be able to manage subscription settings. Finally, if the issue still isn't resolved, contact buffer support with your account email, subscription details, payment